Welcome back to Dr. Liu's VCE Biology. Today's topic is disease challenges and strategies from the VCE 2019 biology exam. Let's learn together. If teachers, parents, or students see mistakes in my explanations, please give me your feedback. When cellular apoptotic function changes, it can affect the likelihood of cells becoming cancerous. Specifically, a decrease in apoptosis means precancer cells are more likely to survive. When multiple sclerosis occurs, immune cells target and attack the myelin sheath around nerve cells. Bacteriophages could provide a novel strategy for fighting bacterial infections. These viruses infect bacteria, leading to the rupture of their membranes. This mechanism differs from penicillin, which halts cell wall synthesis in bacteria. Essentially, bacteriophages target cellular membranes, while penicillin targets cell walls. An increasing trend of infectious bacteria exhibiting antibiotic resistance endangers public health, potentially transforming simple bacterial infections into life-threatening conditions for patients. Zika fever is primarily transmitted by mosquitoes. However, several socioeconomic factors accelerate its spread, including increased human contact with wildlife habitats, urbanization near wild animal populations, the transportation of wild animals, and insufficient public education on disease transmission. Current methods for identifying the Zika virus, which involve detecting specific antibodies, can unfortunately produce incorrect results. Accurate viral pathogen identification is paramount for disease control, as each pathogen often requires unique transmission control strategies and specific antiviral treatments. Without correct identification, infections can persist and spread. On the other hand, isolating a pathogen's antigens following accurate identification could pave the way for a vaccine or a precisely tailored drug. Vaccinating or treating the majority of the population with such interventions would drastically reduce disease transmission. A limitation of antibody tests is their inability to distinguish between antibodies generated in response to the Zika virus and those triggered by other viruses. This occurs because the antigens of Zika and other viruses share a similar molecular shape, enabling them to both attach to the same binding site on the antibody. Beyond the ongoing trials for Zika virus vaccines, governments are taking a multi-pronged approach to combat the disease. Their efforts involve rigorous inspection and fumigation of international cargo, isolation of travelers from Zika-affected countries, proactive measures to eliminate mosquito breeding sites, encouraging the installation of mosquito nets or fly screens on windows, and launching public awareness campaigns to educate citizens on protective clothing and insect repellent application. Accounting for 13 of the total 120 assessment marks, 10.8% of the assessment, the disease challenges and strategies section consists of 4 multiple-choice questions worth 4 marks, and 1 short answer question worth 9 marks. If you need my help, you can add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, or send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Liu's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Liu's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Liu's VCE Biology channel.